King Scott. Today on Cooking with King Scott, I head over to Dierbergs to talk with Chef Christie to find out how to make the perfect Cinco de Mayo dish. My tongue knows a lot of flavors from around the world, and one of my favorite cuisines is from the Latin world of Mexico, and it's tacos. And thankfully, Dierbergs has an amazing taco set, and Chef Christie is going to teach me how to make the perfect taco for Cinco de Mayo. And I'm going to grab this, and I hope they have a lot of mayonnaise. Ooh. Hey!
Where did you come from?
Oh, I was just down in the Dierbergs deli aisle, picking out something for Taco Tuesday.
Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah, I love mayo. So here's the set. This is the Chicken Street Taco Kit.
All right, let's cook this thing up.
Yeah, Chef Chris is going to walk us through how to make this amazing taco set. And this is some pico de gallo.
Pico de gallo?
Pico de gallo.
All right, I'm gonna take the chicken out of our taco kit. It's already seasoned, already cooked. I'm just gonna warm that baby up. Perfect. We've got our already shredded cabbage to go on top of the taco. Some salt.
Hello, world. Oh, wow, I love mayo. Oh, don't wake up. Wow, tacos. You made tacos.
Yeah.
All right, thanks. Hey, this is thanks for showing us how to prepare tacos. I hope you guys learned as much as I have learned. And this just looks amazing. I can't wait to try this.
Absolutely, dig on in.
Yeah, Cinco de Mayo right here. Well, that's good.